Good afternoon and welcome to this video on Salesforce. So my name is Simon and I'm here to demonstrate how this software is going to help you reorganize completely your company, help your company get easy access to key informations, and basically make the best decisions at any given time. So first of all, when you look at our very clear homepage, you can see that you have straight away the access to two of the key performance indicators. So first of all, you have the sales revenue that you can see on the closed leads, and you have the conversion rate that you can find looking at this diagram, and especially the blue curve. So when you look at the company and the way it functions, usually the sales are coming from leads that the sales team have found through opportunities, which we are going to check now, which is basically a tab that's going to help you understand the size of the opportunity as well as the stage of the opportunity. So when you have the stage, as we're going to detail now, you can see that you have different stages available for you to classify those opportunities. And when you see that an opportunity is closed and lost, like this, for example, you can have access straight away to the owner of the opportunity to make a decision on or to meet with this person or to make a more strict decision. When you have leads that are coming from those opportunities, you can classify them very easily. And in my case, for example, I'm trying to demonstrate to you why Salesforce should be the software that you use in the future. So I took the liberty to create your lead, as you can see here. And this gives me all the information that I've previously written about you as a lead, and give me the opportunity to create new tasks, especially for you, as you can see here, and as you can find in the task tab. So the task tab is very important for sales representative especially, but also for the managers, because you can see if a task is completed here. The sales representative is going to have to say that you have completed the task, and you can see if your sales representative do accomplish the tasks that are assigned to them, or if they lack the competence to basically accomplish those tasks. When you have all this information combined to the lead's status, you can check your quotes, which are basically the written proof of the amount of money that you are going to receive from a customer, and which are going to basically affect right away your sales revenues. So as you can see, this page is very global, but most managers want to have access to specific information when they take a specific decision. So if you want to focus on the numbers, you can go straight to the sales leadership, and you can see that most tabs, as you can see from our amazing looking loading page, so some of the tabs have disappeared, just to make it easier for you to go directly to the important numbers, which are found usually in the accounts, which regroups some of the leads together, or from the opportunities, as I've described earlier. And then taking those informations in account, you can have some dashboards where everybody is going to be able to add their views and their files, which going to help all the team members go in the same direction So here, for example, I've just created a tab named exams just to organize my semester. So you can see that even for a small company, like a one-person company like myself, basically, it's very useful just to organize and to keep track of the important tasks and important factors that you have to take in account to basically achieve your goals. And if you want to focus on the relationship management, so the management of your staff, you can have access to new tabs like the chatter, which is going to help you see the activity of your team. It's basically a way to discuss with your team directly and to comment on whatever the team members is going to post. You have access to your contacts, which is basically the staff members and the leads as well, which is very useful. You have access to the calendar if you want to make meetings, which is a key factor. And of course, the notes that you take from each meetings and each important step or event that happened during the day. So to conclude, I just want to emphasize on the fact that this software is very global and give you a global view of what's important for your sales department. If you are a manager, you can basically have a very complete view on what your sales department is doing. And if you're a sales representative, you can keep track of everything you do. You can write everything that you accomplished and make sure that your boss can see what you did and what you didn't do. And thanks to this very global view and this very precise recording of data and information, the company and your company is going to be able to work very smoothly. So thanks for paying attention to this video, and I hope you're going to use Salesforce in the near future. Goodbye.